Hey, Coach Biggs here. What I want to share with you guys today is a great hip opener stretch routine that I do. We'll focus on opening up the iliopsoas, the hamstrings, and the glutes with 3 different stretches on each side. So what you want to do is lean forward, hip hinge forward with the sternum, don't round in the back. What you want to feel is a stretch in the hamstrings right here behind the leg. And if you pull those toes forward to your chest, you're going to be able to feel it in the calves as well. And you're going to hold that for roughly like 30 seconds. Why 30 seconds? Because we're going to change it up and we're going to do mobility work. We're going to do internal and external rotation of that hip. What that's going to allow you is to stretch out the other hamstrings that aren't engaged normally, because there's 3 hamstrings back there. They insert on either side of the knee, so we want to do internal, external rotation. And what that's going to do is also strengthen those hip rotators. The final one, we're going to hit the glutes, piriformis. So what I like to do is I'm going to take the block next to my hip right here. I'll put it right there. And I'm going to put my right hip on the block. From there, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my right leg and I'm going to push it forward. And I want to try to get a 90-degree up in this front leg as best as you can. From there, I'm going to kick that left leg back as far as I can, and that should open up those glutes. And what you want to do is hip hinge forward. And just trying to feel that glute opening up, and don't round the spine again. I want to reach my sternum to the other side of the room. Hip hinge. And make sure that you're not holding your breath. You want to take a deep breath in and out, relax, deep breath in and deep breath out, let all that tension go. So you'd roughly do those about 1 minute on each side. Feel free to do it for more time, but you want to do it at least for 1 minute for each stretch on each side. I appreciate you guys. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments and I'll talk to you later.